This 2024 Airstream Globetrotter AIRSTREAM 25FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 26 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, stovetop burner, TV, skylight, oven, DVD player, LP detector, awning, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Airstream Globetrotter AIRSTREAM 25FB is 5,975 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.